somebody took a conventional brick house and put wood on the outside of it, and then stone at the bottom, and then put a bubble window in, and the rest of them are round windows. We have to check out the inside. You can see the metal over the windows. Look at that peek through window. Oh, and it's a sliding door. This is totally worth exploring. See the staircase? Looks like they did that, but then they couldn't move furniture in. Like, you can't get any furniture up that. So then they either left this or made this. It looks like at some point there was a kid's room over in probably this corner because of the blue color and lots of stickers. Looks like there were lights inside of here. Kind of like a light wall. Look at this place. That's not broken. I thought that was broken, the ceiling. It's not. That's a big bubble window. I mean, where do you even get the plexiglass like that? That's that big. I mean, it wasn't cheap, I'm sure. Watch where you step. The floor is garbage. That is just madness.
This is somebody's dude.
Anything up there?
Yeah, it's like a tiny door.
Let's see if I can see it.
I'm definitely getting up here. Right?
You are 100% getting up there. You think there's an option at this point?
Are you sure?
I mean, I have to know what's behind that tiny door. Huh? That's the air conditioner. It's either the air conditioner or the heater. Furnace or air, who knows? Dude, how often do you have this opportunity right here? To take a picture of the top? Did you ever expect that we would find this today? Actual glass, round glass. It looks like this was their driveway. Floor is not great. Ooh. The floor is not great. We're taking the spiral stairs this time. They're not the most stable, but they're not the worst either, so. This looks like a pool or something. They framed this in. And it's blue. I wonder if this was filled with water. I wonder if that painting's worth money. I don't know if that's water damage or is it just that creepy. Was it always that creepy?
It was always this creepy.
What's it say? Hayden? It was done by Foden? If that's worth $1 million. Okay, if that's worth $500, you let us know in the comments. We don't ever take anything ever. We wouldn't recommend anyone take anything, but it doesn't mean you couldn't call the owner and see if you wanted to buy it. But you'd really have to want this like super creepy painting in your house. I definitely don't want that super creepy painting in my house. So then we've got some homemade cabinets. It's like never ending. Nothing. Cinder blocks inside. I think it's time to get out of here. Until next time, be safe out there.